Such a great sounding engine. Although I would like to get past 40 miles an hour, there are a lot of deer in this country, and I don't plan on hitting a deer this morning. It's pretty early out here, and the deer like to go out, so I've been taking my time this morning going to work and doing some soft acceleration pulls here, as I'm able to do that in the morning. If the bugs and deer weren't so bad, I'd have to really rip her. Hear a little bit of that intake there. Sweet intake sound. Alright guys, if you guys like this, please subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of other videos here of this 300 of the Durango RT Tow and Go. And there's what I mean by deer. That's what we got to watch out for. I've hit far too many deer and totaled too many vehicles because of deer. Alright, as I was saying, please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and check out my other videos on the channel.